Hi everyone, welcome to week 11. As you can see, we are moving into middle adulthood. This covers chapters 13 and 14. So you can see there's some videos, resources, and study guides there. I will be adding the PowerPoint lectures shortly, so those will also be in this location as well. Your activities that you have for this week include a discussion activity on the idea of primary versus secondary aging. In this discussion activity, I want you to think about what potentially could impact your aging. So think of your current health habits and think of one that might have a positive or negative implication on middle and late adulthood. So basically, primary aging is that natural biological, aging, and then you have secondary aging that's sped up by poor health choices. There is a link for more information here that you can read about, but I want you to really think about application to yourself. Okay, so that is your first discussion that you will do this week. Then you also have a writing assignment, which is tackling Erickson's idea of establishing generativity. So in this age group, Erickson said that middlehood adults are looking at establishing generativity or kind of feeling stagnant. So what generativity comes from is giving back or to create a legacy, if you will, things that you can do moving forward, creating the world better place than you left it, that sort of thing. Stagnation, on the other hand, is when you get very self-absorbed and you only focus on yourself. And it's really important, especially when you look at the next stage, which is doing a final life review, the crisis of integrity versus despair, because I feel like stagnation can feel really okay when you're self-absorbed and you're thinking about yourself and you're only doing things for yourself. But when you go to do that life review, that's when it really kicks you in the rear, that you think of, I should have, would have, could have, those sorts of things. So that is what I want you to do, is really think about how generativity can happen in your life, as well as how it will impact your final stage of development. So that is your writing assignment. For the worksheet, you've got that, and then this is going to be slightly different than what you've seen previously in the quizzes. This one has, I believe, 6 questions. I'll open it up real quick here. It has 7 questions, and they are short answer, and the total point value is still, they're 2.5 points each, so make sure you answer them thoughtfully enough to get that full credits, okay? There might be some that are weighted a little bit heavier because it's still worth 25 points and there's only 7 questions. But this is going to be, like I said, you get 1 attempt, be ready to take it when you take it. You get an hour and a half, but it's short answer and application based as opposed to multiple choice. So I don't know if that will be something you enjoy or don't enjoy. Go ahead and give me feedback on that. So those are your assignments for this week. And please remember that next week, when we are covering late adulthood, that also is our amnesty week. And I highly recommend you all to take advantage of that. If you are missing anything, if you are have anything that's late, please look at your Moodle. See the grade you're getting, make sure it's the grade that you think that you are getting. Reach out to me if there's anything that I can reopen or extend. The deadline for that will be the 29th of November. So please do that as soon as you can. The more time you have to complete it, the more time will be easier to do. Okay, so have a great week, guys, and talk soon.